Okay, it's your coach and mentor, the world, and welcome to DeworldFX. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to use the MetaTrader 5. This is the most recent updated version of the MetaTrader 5. So, in this course today, I'm going to teach you how to use the MetaTrader 5. You can also use the same pattern as you use for MetaTrader 4, but there are higher features in MetaTrader 5 that are not in 4. So, please follow this and you learn how to use the latest version of the MetaTrader. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok too and on other social platforms. Is the Word FX or the Word FX Academy, and let's grow together. Okay. Now, this first area you see here is called the quote area. Here is where you see all the currencies, or the first icon below is called quote. That is where you see all the currencies. There you see all the currencies, okay? So now you can see you have all the currencies here. You can select. But if the currency you want is not here, you just simply come here, click on this plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, it takes you here. Then you now select if you want the Forex pair, you can select, they have the majors and the minor. You select the pair. If it's exotic you want to trade, if it's energies or metals, whatever, you just select it. So for instance, now you open the folder, any of the currency you tick here is going to go and appear. I've ticked Euro JPY. Now if we go back to the chart, you're going to see that Euro JPY will appear as the last currency pair. You can see it there. That's it. So this is the quote. Now, here is known as the chart. Okay, this is the chart. This is the chart. Okay, this is where you study the price movement. This is the chart, as you can see. This is where you see your candlesticks and the rest of them. So here in the chart, now there is a whole lot of events happening here. This is where you see the candlesticks. When you determine the time frame, there's the trend, whether it's trending up or trending down, is all done in the chart. Okay, so here in the chart, here is where you take your trade. You can see here you have your sell, here you have your buy. Okay, here is when you set the lot size you want to take for trade. For instance, I want to adjust this to, now let's say I want to adjust this to, I have two lots there. I want to make it to one lot. So I'm going to put one. If you want to trade 0. For small accounts, 0.1. You see, you can put 0.01, 0. Let me say 0.01, So you come and tick on your buy or sell. In this case, I tick buy. You can see the trade is entered already. So let's go to our screen. You see the 0.01 loss as I put there now is this last one you can see. So that is how, so I go back to the chart rather. Now you can see if you want to measure price level, use this other guy that is here. This is this crosshair here. Use it to measure price level. Probably where you want to put your take profit or your stop loss. For instance, you are at this point and you want to measure here for your stop loss. For instance, use this crossbar and you take your price level from here. Okay. So if it's stop loss you want to also put, you bring it down and put it to that area you want to put stop loss. And for instance, you can say I bring it somewhere here. I take the price measurement too. So that is for that tool. This other tool here is for your indicator. This icon here is to select for your indicators. If you watch one of my previous videos, you see where I showed you how to use the moving averages. So here is how you select the indicators, okay? So here is where you take different time frames. You take different time frame from the monthly to the weekly to the daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and so on. That is where you select the time frame. So use here for orders. You use here for orders, pending orders. Okay. If you want to take a buy stop or a sell stop, you click on here. Sorry. So once you click on here, now you can see here you have the buy stop, the sell stop. You keep any order you want, you click on here to change it. Once you click here, you change the order type. Like you can see now, it is now a buy stop. Okay. You can see it's a buy limit, just like the sell limit. So depending on the kind of order you want, you keep tapping there. So if you do that, here is for your stop loss, while here is for the take profit. Once you're done with that order, you click here, this arrow here, then you go and set up the pending order. Done. So that's a pending order. And why this other guy here, you can just tap anywhere on the screen. This is called the shortcut menu. Okay, this is called the shortcut menu. You see have the time frames here. As you can see, these are the time frames. Okay, why this is the tools. Okay, this is for settings. This is the same crosshair we use, and this is for indicator. So the same thing you have somewhere around here. The same thing. This is like it's called a shortcut tool menu. Okay, so why here you have the buy and sell order button. Okay, if I click it now, sorry, if I click it now, you see this buy and sell is off. If I click it again, it's on. Okay, so that is for that. Okay, so here you have the menu. If you want to log in an account, that is where you click the menu. I'm going to do that, a separate video for that, to log in an account on your MetaTrader. So that is it. So now we go further. Now the next one down here is called the quote. It's called your trades. Okay. Here you select the trades that you want to see your trades that are running in profit or in loss. It's there, so you can see now I have these two trades running on 2k profit each, and you can see here. You can see your equity. Equity means your balance plus your profit or your loss. Then you can see my balance there. You can see the equity. So since I'm profit, our equity is more than our balance. That's how you calculate to know. Okay, so that's it. So the next one here is history. This one here is history. History is where you see your previous trades, like the trades you've opened or trade you've closed. You can see my history. You can see dates of the trades. You can see these are trades I closed, and you can see them. You can see the trades. You can see the profit. So you can see the history of my trade. That's for history. So the last one now is message, which you barely would need. Okay? So which you barely would need. So here, let me still walk you through here. If you watch here, you can see this is for currency pairs. If you want to select a currency pair you want to trade, while here, you can do that. A list of currency pairs. Okay. So here also is when you come to see your profit and loss. I'm going to click that now because so you can see how far my account is. So here you can see you have a whole lot of things. You have the ticker, the time, volume, everything, profit. So if you want to see your profit move, that is it's just here. Okay. So you can select to see your profit. The winning trades will be up, the losing trades will be down. On the losing trade up, winning trades down, just like that. Anyone you select there. So if you want to see your history on your trade, when I mean history again, someone will say history again. And you want to see your account look for a period of time. If you watch here, you're going to see you have one dot there, the first dot there. It's telling you that that dot is for today, it's presented today. But if you want to see for the week, you can see I can select the week. You can see my trades for the week. You can see my trades for the week. Okay. If you want to see your trades for the last month, the whole of last month, I selected the month. You can see the deposit of 10k. You can see profit of 29. I think I'm correct. Yeah. So you can see that is for the month. We have about 300% of this. So if you want to see for the last 3 months, you click last 3 months. You can see last 3 months history. You can see everything. So that's it. Okay. So this is how you use your MetaTrader, guys. I think there's nothing else I'm forgetting. So this is how you use a MetaTrader 5. This is me walking you through the whole process. Please follow me and subscribe for more tips on how to help you become a profitable trader, guys. This is your coach and mentor, The World, and I'm off. Thank you, guys.